I'm thrilled to announce that at my direction, the United States Air Force is moving forward with the world's first sixth-generation fighter jet. Number sixth generation.
The U.S. Air Force has made a significant advancement in its next-generation air dominance NGAD program with the introduction of the Boeing F-47, a sixth-generation fighter jet unveiled on March 21, 2025, described by Air Force Chief of Staff General David W. Olvin as the most advanced, lethal, and adaptable fighter ever developed. The F-47 is poised to become the first sixth-generation fighter deployed by the United States, bolstering American air superiority in response to escalating threats from China and Russia. President Donald Trump announced the milestone, confirming that the F-47 would be the centerpiece of the NGAD program. The aircraft's development followed years of competition between Boeing and Lockheed Martin, both of which built experimental planes to showcase their designs. A manned NGAD demonstrator first flew in 2019, with additional test flights of a related aircraft occurring in 2022, shedding further light on the fighter's evolution. Boeing ultimately won the $20 billion engineering and manufacturing contract, a major triumph for the company. Trump emphasized the jet's strategic importance, vowing to deliver the F-47 before the end of his term, reinforcing its role in national security and the future of U.S. air power. The F-47's designation pays homage to the P-47 Thunderbolt, a legendary World War II fighter, while also commemorating the U.S. Air Force's founding in 1947 and Trump's position as the 47th president. The jet features a tailless blended wing design that enhances stealth and agility. It is equipped with adaptive cycle engines capable of toggling between high-thrust and fuel-efficient modes, providing exceptional speed and an unrefueled range exceeding 1,500 nautical miles. This capability allows the F-47 to penetrate deep into contested enemy territory, even against sophisticated defenses like those of China and Russia. Additional features include thrust vectoring technology for superior maneuverability and internal weapons base to minimize radar detection. Beyond its standalone capabilities, the F-47 will operate in tandem with AI-powered semi-autonomous drones, revolutionizing air combat. These drones will perform diverse functions, such as reconnaissance, radar jamming, decoy operations, and kamikaze attacks, serving as additional sensors and weapons platforms. The jet's arsenal includes hypersonic missiles with a range exceeding 300 kilometers, ensuring lethality in beyond visual range engagements, and it may incorporate directed energy weapons for close-range defense. The F-47 can also launch and manage drone swarms and loyal wingman aircraft, amplifying its firepower and tactical flexibility. The F-47 sets a new standard for stealth technology. Unlike earlier stealth fighters focused primarily on evading radar, this jet minimizes its infrared, acoustic, and visual signatures as well. It achieves this through radar-absorbing materials, active camouflage to conceal heat emissions, and plasma stealth technology to deflect radar signals. These innovations make the F-47 exceptionally difficult to detect across multiple sensor types, securing its edge in future conflicts. While the Air Force has not specified how many F-47s will be produced, General Elvin indicated that the fleet size would surpass that of the F-22, the advanced fighter it will replace. With approximately 180 F-22s currently in service, the F-47 promises to significantly expand and enhance America's sixth-generation fighter capabilities.